adjust here, and then side posture here, and then we'll check your neck, okay? But usually the tenderness will go down on that side. And then let me have you lay on your back for me. Just gonna feel first, okay? And it's right here, feel that?
Mm-hmm.
So it's tender right there and right there. So that's where we're gonna adjust, okay? And then I would go in and I would adjust both sides of the cervical spine there. And then we check the work, okay? Now just doing that category 1 blocking, they're gonna see a change. So it's just not gonna last.